Okay, here we are at Bright Lake, going for a walk with the dogs. It's Mad and me. Back over behind me here is Bob's Biffy. They make a new one every year, so everybody can be happy with it. Oh, Lord. Okay, we're walking here. I want to make sure I don't break my neck while I'm doing this. That's Spencer Wetzer over there. Peeny weeny. This is where Betsy's in her element right now. She loves this place.
Ow, my finger.
Spring and the last couple days of April here, and nice and green. No mosquitoes yet.
Watch what you say. Show them the blackberries.
Yeah, there's blackberry briars right here, and wild
All
ones.
the way down there.
So far as the eye can see there.
All around in the air, everywhere.
And we gotta make sure Betsy doesn't roll.
Show them the yellow one. Can you do a close-up?
Yeah. Flowers. I don't know if I can get it or not.
Johnny jump ups.
Johnny jump ups.
Oh, God. Look at this.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Absolutely.
Look what's growing over here.
Oh boy! Our mushrooms are growing back from last year. Yay! Should see it last year was gorgeous. And they're going to grow into each other too, the way they're sitting again. That's wonderful. Cool.
Hopefully nobody else will see it.
Okay, look at the camera there, good looking. And don't hit me with your stick either.
Yeah, gotta keep you moving. Get. No deer. I think they hear my noisy car. God, this is beautiful. Even with all the stuff they're tearing down, still pretty.
Well, this is really cut down from last year already, and they're going to make a park out of here, a camping area. Ruin it, that's what they're going to do. And she smells something up there. Hope it's going to try rolling it.
Are you going to do the whole walk?
No, well.
Oh, we were supposed to go the other way, so we wouldn't have an issue. Don't let her run that way.
Okay.
Oh, there's a lot of yellow ones. Look at all those yellow ones.
Just gorgeous. Those are Johnny jump ups.
Yep.
I have heard saying, Madeline and I it's a standing joke because I never heard that before, the name of them, and I just cracked up because it sounded funny to me. Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, those are
Johnny jump ups.
beautiful. Here's one.
Yeah.
It's the Minnesota State Flower.
Is it?
Yes.
The Minnesota State Flower.
Go around the other way and get out of the sun. It's go around and get, because it's got a little thing in it. In here.
Oh, yeah.
Get down where it can.
I see it. Okay. Good.
I think it's called Jack in the Pulpit. They used to have a ton of them. That's the only one I see. Here's some more.
That's pretty.
They're related to lady slippers, but they don't have lady slippers as far up north.
Okay, this is about all I'm gonna put up here until we get up to around the lake, and then I'll.
Betsy, please.
Betsy, come here. Come hither.
Come on, Betsy.